Artillery Commander he Hafildar Zetpiak Tharani.
On this occasion, we have Parade Commander SIF Helen Vinova, and the second commander we have SI Rosam Kima. The first contingent approaching the 70 base we have Mizo after base led by Hafildar Zetpiak Tharani.
Kwanzar by Victory saluting place lam Mizoram Police Contingent then alon Pandeka and Marvel Soy to he Hafildar Zetpiak Tharani.
Marching past the 70 base we have Mizoram Armed Police led by Hafildar Zetpiak Tharani. Joseph Gardore from Class 10.
By Victory Government Model English School Guides Contingent and to Laika Saluting Place and Panle Definitely and Marvel Soy to Artillery Commander he definitely learning Class 8 Zirlini.
Marching smartly, going past 70 base, we have the Government Model English School Guides led by Jeffrey Lalini of Class 8.